Guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today something very fun. We are going to make stir-fry beef with noodles. We need just ask your butcher some nice beef, or you cut or ask already in the street. We need some corn flour, vegetable oil, soy sauce, 1 egg. This is my new knife. My partner, soon wife, Zuzi, and my little Enrico, they give me for present. Thank you very much, Zuzi. And okay, we start. We have to cut the beef. I show you the way. Do this, guys, very, thin, like this. Easy. Stuff like that. Easy. Ask your butcher very soft meat. I don't know for how many people. I'm cook for me, Zuzi, and Enrico. I don't wanna cut all that. It's a lot. And we're gonna marinate this beef with this stuff here. And later we're gonna add some vegetables. Okay? You continue to cut your beef. Later I show you the rest. Not stuff like that. It's gonna be very, very flash fried. Okay? See you later when I show you how we marinate this beef. Okay guys, the meat is cut. Now take a bowl, put inside a nice bunch of black pepper. Yeah, maybe some more later. This is corn flour. Put inside. They are 2 spoons. 2 spoons of soy sauce. Put inside. 1, 2, 3, and 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil. And we're gonna add inside 1 egg. Okay? I think we need a little more black pepper. I use the end, guys. It's much better. Mix everything. We are not master chef, but we cook for our family and we cook very well. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookwithanitalian.com. This now gonna be like this. It's done. Now I clean a little bit my hands and this mess here, and the second step is the vegetable. Okay, the meat is marinated. It's just 10 minutes. Okay, the wok is on. After now I'm going to fry the meat. Later I'm gonna boil quickly just this carrot and broccoli, and this is the rest. The vegetable I'm gonna add when it's finished. I have some spring onion, green peas, I don't know in English this soya
Bean sprout.
sprout, and pepper, yellow pepper, okay? And some garlic, and some sauce, and I'm gonna show you later. Now, the wok is hot, couple teaspoon, 3 of vegetable oil, and the meat inside. This gonna be quickly anyway. Gonna take 4 minutes, stuff like that. Yeah. Well, guys, I just want to make this crispy, and I show you the next step. Okay? I just move on the big one. This is already done. It's nice and crispy because later I'm gonna cook a little bit more. We put inside here bowl. In the same pot, we add some water, just like that. Inside broccoli and carrot. Leave to boil, I don't know, 4 minutes, stuff like that. 4-5 minutes, not more. And I show you the next. This stay very nice and crunchy. Now we're going to take the water off, and we leave now in the plate like this. Now, guys, we have this bowl. The meat is cooked. The next step is I'm gonna just fry this vegetable, and I'm gonna add again 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, oyster sauce, sugar. Okay, but first I want to cook the noodles. It's gonna take 2.5 minutes. That's it. Put in, and later I'll show you next step, because it's gonna be very quickly. Okay, guys, the noodles, they in, some vegetable oil in, and garlic. I cut 3 garlic, and now we start add vegetables. Some spring onion, some of this, the broccoli and carrot. Now, just do, this is the process. Now we add the soya, oyster sauce, some sugar, and the meat. Now we do a little touch like this, some more sugar on, some pepper. We need a big wok, okay? And now another minute and we're gonna add the noodles, okay? I show you next. So, and guys, prepare a lemon because in the end we're gonna put a lemon juice in, okay? Okay, guys, this is ready. You know what I forgot here is, guys, you know, if you have some fresh ginger, it's very good. I'm forgot that. Plus, this is very nice as well with some chili. But you know, I have my little Enrico. He likes chili, but you know, it's better don't risk much. Okay? And now, guys, it's where the smell, guys, is amazing. And this is all. It's gonna be our lunch. Okay? Look very nice. Smell beautiful. Basically, guys, is done. Wow, guys, the smell. Wow, look at it. It's amazing. Absolutely, it's sweet, very nice. Oh, guys. Oh. Guys, I'm so sorry for you, but it's absolutely delicious. Stir-fried beef is this, easy and taste beautiful. Guys, if you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!